pa' ver si me olvido de tu nombre, tu beso, tu cuerpo, tu gemido. Lo hacíamos en el carro, me gritaba al oído. Cierro los ojos y pienso en todo lo que hicimos, baby. Prendo pa' ver si me olvido de tu nombre, tu beso, tu cuerpo, tu gemido. Lo hacíamos en el carro, me gritaba al oído. Cierro los ojos y pienso en todo lo que hicimos.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to show you a DJ app which I think is very cool. It's an app called DJ made by a company called Algorithm. So I'm using the freemium version here. You can see this app opened up on my iPad. So it's a freemium app, meaning basic functionality is free for use, and if you need additional features, you got to subscribe. The subscription is not very cheap. It's at $40 per year, or you can also go and try it for a month for $5. I'm gonna close out this opening screen, and when we get in, it's gonna show this pop-up advertisement one more time where it shows you what kind of features are available. If you do subscribe, you can get access to loops. These are house loops, trance, techno, progressive, EDM loops. You can also open up 4 decks, so you can have 4 songs queued up or do mix and match with those songs. I'm gonna close this out as well. So this is the interface you'll see when you open up the app, when you close out all those pop-ups. And here is 2 decks, your standard decks, and I'm gonna load up 2 songs over here. Today what I'm gonna show you is a basic mix. One good thing about this app is you're able to connect it to your Spotify account, and you can open up all your playlists or any songs that you want to try out mixing. But that feature is unfortunately being deprecated in about a month. So please be aware when you are looking into buying this app. So today what I'm going to show you is a mashup of Billie Jean by Michael Jackson and a Spanish song called Te Bote. And let's give it a listen how both of these songs sound. That's Billie Jean from Michael Jackson, which we all know very well. So I'm gonna lower the volume here. Let's hear the second song, how it sounds. So as you can see, these songs are at different BPM. The Spanish song is at 96 BPM, whereas Billie Jean is at 117 BPM. But the good thing is both of them have the same key. That means they are both D key, which makes it easier to mix them. That's something you want to think about when you are trying to find songs to mix. If they are in the same key, then it sounds nice. The thing we are going to do is we are going to also lock up these keys. We are going to press these icons here so that you are now able to lock up the pitch. So what that allows you to do is when you vary the BPM, the vocals don't get distorted, so the vocals are gonna sound fine. So now the other thing that I want to do is take the beats from Billie Jean song and mix it with Te Bote. So in order to do that, I'm also going to lower the bass from the Te Bote song. So this is how you lower it from the equalizer. You're cutting out the bass frequencies here. So I got that ready. So what I'm gonna do now is I have to get some beats from the Billie Jean version. I don't obviously want to mix up the vocals, so I need to get to the beat portion, which is in the beginning of the song. So let me go back to the beginning of the song and get 8 beats from that. So let me do it here. So we got now nice 8 beats that's gonna continue to loop. The other thing we now have to decide is at what BPM are we going to mix these 2 songs. Obviously the Spanish song is at 96 BPM, Billie Jean 117. I cannot increase the Spanish song to 117. It's not gonna sound good. So what I'm gonna settle on is a lower BPM, something higher than 96, but definitely lower than 117. I think I'm gonna go with BPM of 102. Again, you have to do trial and error and figure out what BPM do these both songs when mixed together sound good. So let me do that by adjusting the BPM on Billie Jean. So I'm gonna move it all the way to 102. And then after getting the Billie Jean song to 102, I'm gonna press this sync button. What it's gonna do is automatically match the BPM for the Spanish song. That's a nice feature in all DJ apps nowadays. So we got that taken care of. Now I'm gonna increase the volume on both and give it a listen how it's gonna sound. That's it, folks. Hope you liked the video and hope to see you in my next video.
Me olvido de tu nombre, tu beso, tu cuerpo, tu gemido, lo hacíamos en el carro.